Welcome to this powerful meditation session, your last day on planet Earth. This meditation will actually take you deep to realize what is truly important in your life and help you live a life of purpose and inspiration. Find a comfortable place. Choose a posture, whether sitting or lying down. It's time to relax your body. Allow your body to relax, completely relax. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, relax every cell of your body. Once again, take a deep breath in, and this time, as you breathe out, close your eyes. With every inhalation, you are taking positive energy of universe inside, and as you breathe out, you are throwing anxiety, stress, and any tension out of your body. And as you do so, you are becoming more and more relaxed, more and more calm and peaceful. We tend to forget that our stay on this planet is temporary. But once we connect to this reality, we align ourselves with the universal power, and hence life becomes easy, spontaneous, and inspired. This is the purpose of this meditation. From head to toe, every cell of your body is feeling comfortable. Every tissue of your body is relaxed. With every breath, you are going deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. Imagine today is the last day of your life. And since this is your last day, you will do only super important works. What are the few actions that you want to take today? Since you have very less time, you can't do all the works. So you will do only important works. Where you want to go, whom you want to talk for a moment or spend your time with. Along this journey on this planet Earth, who hurt you or betrayed you, bring their faces in front of you. Do you want to die with that poison of anger, grudge, and frustration? See how painful it feels, how unease this gives you, the energy of anger. No, I choose to forgive. I can't carry this painful energy. I can't carry this painful energy. I need to forgive now. Those who betrayed me, they did their best. They did their best. Whatever understanding they had, whatever was their level of consciousness, according to them, they performed their best. I choose to forgive them and forgive them from your heart. Imagine a white light coming from your heart and touching their body, engulfing them totally. Send them love and mentally repeat, I am ready to forgive one and all. Now, imagine that your body is being burnt or being buried. And now, you are going to be forgotten once and forever. The movie of your life is about to finish forever. See, all your success and failures came to a halt. The name, the position for which you kept on fighting, for which you went from pillar to post, now they seem meaningless. Neither success matters nor failure matters. Be in this state of neutrality for few moments. Review your life for a moment. What lessons you learned from this lifetime? Can you realize its shortness? Can you see all your achievements, property, money, everything is temporary and momentary? Can you see it? If it's temporary, then why to get addicted to it? If money comes to me easily, I accept it. If success and position comes to me easily, I am going to welcome it. Can you see that the relationships that were so dear and important to you, now they are meaningless? All your relationships are temporary and nothing is permanent. Now connect to the consciousness or aliveness present within you. The sense of aliveness in your body, connect with that. Your aliveness, one which is always and forever with you. Embrace yourself. Embrace yourself. Your consciousness, your aliveness, or you yourself, it is the only one which is permanent and which is going to live with you once and forever. Embrace it. Be in this knowledge and awareness. Now, whatever you learned, integrate all the insight in your body. As I count from 1 to 3, the whole information will dissolve in every cell of your body. 1, 2, and 3. It is totally dissolving inside your body. Now, mentally repeat. No matter what happens, I will always be loyal to my soul. No matter what bad situations come to my life, I will never deviate from the values of my soul. I am whole and complete. I love myself. I know everything that I can earn, build, or make is temporary. So there is no need to get attached with these things. Only my consciousness, my soul, or my aliveness is permanent. I am going to stay with it. Allow this knowledge to fully flow inside you. Now it's time to come back. Listen to the sounds around you. Move your body gently. Place the palms of your hands above your eyes. And take an intention to do this meditation for at least 21 days. This short meditation will help you connect with who you are, will help you realize your purpose. Now, slowly open your eyes. Whatever is your feeling, please write it down so that you can be a catalyst to the growth of others. Thank you. Thank you.